Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima, you have problems with the windshield wipers not working, guys, we will explain which fuse you need to check. Make sure you test that fuse as well. We will explain how to do that, everything from start to finish. And if your wipers do not work, we'll have a video that will explain how to completely actually test the system, diagnose it, and find out what's wrong with the wiper system. So let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, parts for your Kia Optima, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can buy all that from for a really good price and quick shipping. That's where we get all the parts and tools from. Also, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, the plan, guys, on that Kia Optima is to make at least 200 free electrical and diagnostics videos, and they will be published on the channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live. And we'll have more than 300 videos where we'll be taking the engine apart, the car apart, and all that will be on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics. So please check it out, subscribe. We'll have so much helpful information coming on this vehicle there as well. So let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle, next to the hood where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover, and that's where the fuses are. So what we did, guys, okay, we actually took a picture of the interior fuse box so we can show with the great detail where all the fuses are located, because otherwise it's practically impossible, guys, to show you with a great detail where the fuses are located and which fuse is for the wipers, because it's very limited room, small hole, and we cannot get light in it as well. So what we did, we took a picture, zoomed it out a little bit so we can show you. And if you come, guys, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that will be the 6th row right here, and you come to the second fuse down. This 25 amp fuse is actually for the wipers, guys. So check it out, guys. Okay, that fuse is the one that actually controls the wipers. Always check it out, guys. 25 amp fuse. Now, always test them, guys. You may think you have a good fuse, but it may be a bad fuse. You may not be able to see that it's bad through the window. Always test them, and we'll put a link to a video that explains how to test them. Because you think it's a good fuse, you put it in, your wipers still don't work, you start spending more money and time to fix your Kia Optima. It's not worth it, guys. All we had to do, test the fuse, find out it's bad, and replace it. And if you need to buy replacement fuses for a great price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a really good price. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.